Isn't it recorded?
It's recording. Hi, I'm Kaka.
Oh, and I am Sheila.
Now, this is our new YouTube account called Kaka and Sheila. Now, on this new thing that we're going to do, we're going to have some dancing videos of us dancing, us showing you how to dance.
And when us just chilling. Yeah.
And it's going to have chilling our everyday lives.
Yep. We're going to be like hanging out in Walmart and stuff. It'd be fun.
Alright? So,
Sorry.
just check out our account about every week. Check out and see if there's new videos up.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it up. Do it up.
Okay?
Just let the mouse guide you over to the thing and type in Kaka and Sheila. And watch them videos.
CACANDSH.
I don't know how to spell my own name, so she's spelling it.
ELIA.
Yeah.
I'm the smart one.
I'm just here because I'm sexy. No, I'm not.
Alright, so check this out, alright. Goodbye.
Bye. No, I don't like ending.